Today we're going to make a Thai vegetable green curry. My Thai green curry is going to have these ingredients. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Thai green curry paste, which I've made before. I've got it right here. I'm going to use 300 grams of broccoli. So broccoli is the main ingredient I'm having in mind. I'm going to have 200 grams of carrots, which I have sliced up. I'm going to have some green beans and some Sugarsnap peas and aubergine. Carrots here, nicely chopped up. I've halved the Sugarsnap peas. I have quartered the aubergines. I have the broccoli all chopped up, and I've kept the beans fairly long. So let's get cooking. Right, so we've got the pan on high heat and we're going to put in some cooking oil. So 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, that, and 2.5 tablespoons of cooking oil going in. Next we're going to put in the Thai green curry paste, and we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of the Thai green curry paste. Once it's a bit hot, I'm going to put in 1, 2, stir it for a couple of minutes. I would say actually a minute, and then we can start putting the vegetables in, which we will stir fry first before putting in the coconut milk. At this point I'm putting in all my broccoli. Give it a good stir. Put in your Sugarsnap peas. Put in the carrots. Put in the aubergines. And we're going to let this steam and cook for a bit. Now I'm going to drop in the coconut milk. And we're going to let it cook through in the coconut milk, and we might want to thin it out a bit, so I'm going to put some hot water and let it cook for another approximately 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on this. Drop some about half a teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to give it a stir. My cooker is on very low, so I'm going to up that, and then it's going to carry on cooking for another 10 minutes. Then it'll be ready to serve. And there you have it. It's all ready. to be served for dinner. Now, I'm going to serve it in a few minutes. So what I'm going to do finally is I would like to put in some tofu. So I'm not doing it now. It's good served as is. But if you like tofu, it's at this point, last 2-3 minutes, just drop it in, let it soak in the flavors of the curry, and it's ready to go. That is your green Thai curry already. Now, if you like what you see on my videos and you want to watch more of my recipes, do remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching.